Hello everyone. So we are discussing about quadrilaterals, their types with their properties. So a quadrilateral can be defined as a type of polygons that have four sides, four vertices and four angles along with a pair of diagonals. The sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So now we are discussing about the properties of quadrilateral. A quadrilaterals have four sides, four vertices and four angles. A quadrilateral can be regular or irregular. The sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. And so there are six types of quadrilaterals, that is square, rectangular, rhombus, kite, parallelogram and trapezium. So in this square, the all sides are equal to each other, like this. This side equal to this, is equal to this equal to this, and this equal to this. The all angles are of 90 degrees, and the diagonals are bisecting each other at the middle points. Sorry, mine is little tilted, but this equal to this and this equal to this. Now in rectangular, two sides are equal to each other, like this side equal to this side and this side equal to this side. The angle also are 90 degree perpendicular to each other, and the diagonal bisecting each other at the middle of the sides. See. In the rhombus is a form of tilted square, you can say it, because in the rhombus the all sides are equal to each other. This side equal to this side equal to this side equal to this, and this side equal to this. But this in this shape of rhombus is little tilted by the shape of a square, and but in rhombus the angles are not 90 degree, they are not perpendicular to each other. This is the difference between rhombus and the square. The diagonals are bisecting each other at the same point, and the diagonals are perpendicular to each other in the rhombus. Then come to kite. In kite, you also everyone see the kite, the shape of kite. This side equal to this side and this side equal to this side, but this side not equal to this and this side not equal to this. The angle between these two sides, this angle is equal to this angle. This angle are equal to this angle, but this angle not equal to this angle. Now come to parallelogram. The parallelogram in this shape, two sides, these two sides are parallel to each other, and these two sides are also parallel to each other. Like when we is the mean of parallel lines, that when two sides, like these two lines, they are parallel to each other, because whenever you increase the lines this side or this side, they never meet to each other. That is the meaning of parallels. So like this side is parallel to this side and this side is parallel to this side, and this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. Okay, and in this also the diagonals are bisecting each other, like this. In this point, this side equal to this side and this side equal to this side. Now come to trapezium. In the trapezium, this side is not equal to this side, but this side is equal to this side. In the trapezium, the speciality of the trapezium shape, two sides are parallel to each other, like this this side and this side are equal, this side and this side is parallel to each other, but this side and this side is not parallel to each other. Like when we will increase this line like this and also this, they never meet each other at any point. So these two lines are parallel to each other. This is the specialty of a trapezium. So trapezium could be like this also, like this. In trapezium, two sides are parallel to each other. So in this shape also, this side is like this, they never meet each other. So this is also a type of trapezium. This could be like this. Like this. This is also a trapezium. So here we discuss about the type of quadrilateral. I hope all you understand it.